So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to save all the drawings in a single click. And as you can see here on my top left corner, there is a three drawings are open in my file, which is drawing 1, drawing 2 and drawing 3. So in a case that you want to save all the three drawings at once, so you don't have to go to each and every drawing and save it to the location where it has to be. So you just have to do write a simple command which is save all, SAVEALL, save all, and AutoCAD will do all the work for you. You just have to select the location that you want to save your file and just click on save. I'm doing cancel because I don't want to save, but yeah, you just have to do is save. Then AutoCAD will do all the work for you, and you don't have to go to each and every file and do all the job. So yeah, that's it for the video, and thank you for watching. And share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.